Supervised learning is a type of machine learning in which an algorithm learns to make predictions or decisions based on labeled examples provided by a human supervisor. In supervised learning, a training set of labeled data is used to teach the algorithm to recognize patterns and make accurate predictions on new, unseen data. The labeled data consists of input variables, also called features, and an output variable, also called a label or target variable. During the training phase, the algorithm tries to learn the underlying pattern that relates the input variables to the output variable. Once the model is trained, it can be used to make predictions on new, unseen data by feeding the input variables into the model and obtaining the predicted output variable. The accuracy of the model's predictions is evaluated using a test set of data that was not used in the training phase. Examples of supervised learning include classification tasks, such as predicting whether an email is spam or not. Regression tasks, such as predicting the price of a house based on its features, such as the number of bedrooms, square footage, and location. For more knowledge, like, share and subscribe. As Machine Learning Hub.